This session is all about installation of Maven in Linux and Mac OS operating systems. Maven installation is a simple process and requires not more than 5 minutes. Let's start this process by downloading latest Maven binaries. For this, go to maven.apache.org and click on download link. On download page, click on latest available binary zip archive. This will start downloading Apache Maven latest version in our local machine. Once downloading is completed, unzip the file and save Apache Maven directory anywhere in your local machine. In our case, we have saved in Documents. Now Maven is downloaded. So before doing any changes, let's see what happens when we execute any Maven command. Open terminal and run command mvn version. Now we can see terminal is complaining that the command is not found. Currently, our system is not able to find out Maven binaries. In order to execute Maven binaries, we need to set path environment variable. This process requires two steps. First, create a symbolic link of Maven download. Second, add the path of this symbolic link in .bash profile. The symbolic link acts as an alias pointing to the actual directory. The reason behind creation of symbolic link is if in future we want to update our Maven version, then we just need to point this symbolic link to the new version, and rest of our environment will work in same way. For creation of symbolic link, open terminal and go to the directory where we have saved our Apache Maven binary files. In our case, we have saved in Documents, so list out, and this directory contains only Apache Maven. Let's create a symbolic link. For this, run command ln. ln stands for link, -s, s for create a symbolic link, and the directory for which we want to create the symbolic link, which is this directory, and the name of the alias that we want to use. In our case, we are using Maven. You can put any alias, whatever you want. Hit enter, and a symbolic link is been created in Documents. So if we do ls now, we can see a Maven, which is nothing but a symbolic link, which is actually pointing our Apache Maven downloaded binaries. Our first step is completed, and the second step is to add our binary executable path in .bash profile. Whenever we start terminal program, it adds all available paths from bash profile in existing path variable. This helps us in execute any program. In path variable, all executable files are separated by colon. So first, let's print out what's inside our path variable. So go to the terminal and echo the path. All characters should be in capital. So this is our path variable, and now we want to add Maven binary path in this path variable. This can be done by adding our path in .bash profile. For this, we have to open the .bash_profile using vim. If this file doesn't exist, then vim will create this file. So type vim users directory and go to .bash_profile. Again, if this file doesn't exist in your machine, then vim will create a new file for you. Open bash_profile file using vim and press I to insert any new value. Now provide command export path variable all caps equals to the current value of path variable colon the new path which we want to add. In our case, this is users, author, document, and Maven. But remember, we have to provide the path till bin folder. That's it. Hit escape and then colon and WQ. It stands for write and quit. This is how we save our content in vim. Hit enter and we are now outside of vim. Now we have saved our new configuration in bash_profile. Let's restart our terminal and again echo the current value of path variable. Now we can see the value which we have added in bash_profile is now available in this session of terminal. It means we have to restart the terminal so that it take effect. Finally, this is the time to check Maven installation. Again run command mvn -version. And now system have found the Maven binaries and printed the current version of Maven, which is 3.6.0. This indicates the Maven is currently installed in our machine. So installing Maven is very easy. This is all about how we install Maven on Mac and Unix. In upcoming sessions, we will see how to use different functionalities of Maven.